In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to fill and color shapes in Autocad to make your designs more visually appealing. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, mastering this skill will help you bring your designs to life with vibrant color. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you have your Autocad project open and your designs ready. On the top of the screen, you'll see various tabs. We're interested in what's known as the Home tab today, as it contains the essential tools we'll need. From here, look for the Draw section, which should be located in an easy-to-spot area of the screen. It's your toolbox for creating and manipulating shapes within your design. Now, locate and click on the Hatch tool. What does the Hatch tool do, you ask? Essentially, it allows you to fill your shapes with a pattern or solid color, giving them that polished and finished appearance. Once you click on the Hatch tool, you'll see several options for different hatch patterns. For our purpose, we're going to select the solid pattern. This will ensure your shapes are filled with a continuous block of color rather than a pattern, which can be particularly useful for creating bold and clear visuals. The next step involves clicking on the enclosed shapes you want to fill. Go ahead and click directly on the shapes in your design that you'd like to fill with color. As you do this, you'll see them begin to transform, taking on the new feel, which is quite satisfying. Make sure to carefully select each shape you want to modify. This process can be repeated for multiple shapes, so don't worry if you decide to add a few more along the way. Once you've successfully filled your desired shapes, we can move on to adding color, which is where the design truly comes to life. Click